Hello everyone, my name is Aayan Shrestha and today I'm here with my friend
Shubran Khadka.
We are from grade 4 Narayani and today we're going to be talking about biotic and abiotic components of the environment.
First, we are going to talk about environment. What is environment?
Environment is our surrounding where all of the living organisms live.
Now we are going to tell you what are abiotic and biotic components.
So biotic components are the components of the environment that are living, like elephants, donkeys, tigers and hippopotamus. And abiotic are the non-living component of the environment, like sand, rocks and water.
Now we are going to tell you how they are interdependent.
As we all know that living organisms need oxygen for their survival when plants give oxygen to them, and trees or plants need carbon dioxide to survive, and animals are the one who give them carbon dioxide. And animals also depend on plants for shelter and food. They are also interdependent with non-living components. So, every living organism needs water to survive and trees need soil to grow.
To continue with our more fun academic adventures, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And do not forget to ring the notification bell.
Thank you.